Okay, here's a basic video on how to add products to your website. So if you're going to be drop shipping and importing products, skip this video. This is not what you're going to be doing for those imported products. But if you do have something like in-store inventory or really just any type of product you want to add, here's what you're going to do. When you're logged in, you're going to look at the left side of your menu under products. We're going to go to all products just to see all of our products here. So I can show this. If you have an existing product you want to edit, you just hover over it, click edit. Otherwise, we're going to create new. Just all products, add new. We're going to fill in some basic info here. So first thing we're going to do is give our product a name. Call it test video product. We're going to give it a description. So we'll just say your description goes here. Fix that. Now, one thing every product needs to display is a price. That is, other than a title, the only other thing you really need for it to show up on your website is a price. So we're going to go and say $15. I'm not going to set a sale price. It's something we can do. Let's say we wanted to go and have this on sale for $12 and schedule it. That's something we can do, but no real reason to. Or you could just have the sale price live and have it crossed out there on the front end. Inventory, this is going to be how you manage stock. So first thing we're going to do is make a SKU. We'll just call it SKU-1111. If you want to manage stock, you're going to check this box and say how many of them you have available. So we have 10. Do we want back orders? Do we want to get an email based on low stock? Do we want to only allow people to buy one of these at a time? Those are all options there. Depending on how your shipping calculations work, you're going to fill in some of this stuff. So let's say it's a pound and it's 5 inches, 7 inches by 8 inches. Linked products, you can do upsells and cross sells that show up in the cart automatically. If you fill that in. Attributes. So attributes are going to be things that define your product. So common one is going to be brand. You can add brand, and then let's say the brand is Glock. We want it to show up on the attributes page. This is something that you're going to use for filtering as well. So if you've got a bunch of products, let's add another one. Let's call this one color. And let's say it's black. You're only going to really fill in one value unless you're doing something like a variable product, which we'll go over in a second. Advanced, really nothing you need there. Get more options, are going to be blank for you guys. You can add a second short description that shows up at the top of the page. So we'll just say short description here. Let's say it's a firearm. We'll just check that. Actually, I'm going to say apparel. Product image, you can upload, or you can just pick something here. Let's just pick these binoculars. You can add multiple images if you want kind of a gallery view. And once you have that all filled out, we're going to hit publish. Open this in a new tab, and we're going to see our product here. So we've got our image, we've got the category, price, 10 in stock, short description, SKU, categories apparel. That's our regular description. Underneath additional information, we have our weight and dimensions, and then we also have those attributes we created, brand and color. So let's say that you sell slings, and you've got a couple different kinds of slings. Let's make a second product and go over how we do what are called variable products. So let's call them slings. We're gonna make a new category called slings. We'll put it in, and I'm gonna leave basically all this blank. And I'm gonna change this here to a variable product. And then we're gonna add some attributes here. And these are gonna be what the customer buys based on. So let's say we have 3 colors, black. You're gonna do a pipe symbol, brown. It's underneath the backspace on the right of your keyboard, and blue. We've got 3 color slings. Save that. And then let's say we also have some sizes. So size, used for variations, important, make sure you check that. Oops. Small, medium, and large. Save those. So now we have 9 possible combinations for our products. We're going to click on this variations tab here. And we're going to create variation from all attributes. What that's going to do is it's going to make basically 9 sub-products here. The blue sling, small, medium, large. The black sling, small, medium, large. And the brown sling, small, medium, large. It's going to give us a warning. You can only do 50 of these at a time, but that should be more than enough. So we see all these here. So there's some things that we can set globally. If on our form we want to have a default, let's say by default we want everything to be black, no default size, we can do that. And then right here is where we can toggle and set a whole bunch of stuff. So we're going to go and click set regular prices, hit go. This is going to pop up, and we're going to say all of these are going to be $20. And what that's going to do is it's going to go through each of these and fill in that regular price of $20. Let's say I want to go and say that of the large, we're going to manage stock for these, and we only have 3 large black slings. We can do that as well, and that's going to keep specific separate inventory. What you can also do is, depending on your products, you might want to go and set your weights and dimensions and all that in here. I like to go for most of mine and just put the weight in here. It doesn't matter if the sling is black, blue, or brown. It's going to be 5 pounds or whatever your weight is. And the box is probably going to be the same dimensions, so we'll just say 4x4x4. Ignore the shipping class, and then it's just going to inherit all of these settings here. Now it's all set. I'm not even going to worry adding an image or anything here. No description. This is our sling product. This is kind of a bare minimum of what we filled out. We'll publish it. And right here, when you open it up, you'll see we've got our variable product. Just a little placeholder image there. Remember, we set black as the default under our variations. So when we look here, color black. Notice when we choose black large, we do get 3 in stock because we limited inventory of that one. Then you add it to your cart. And you'll see black, small, all that stuff's already added. Alright, that basically covers adding products. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. I'm more than happy to help you. Thanks, everyone.